I am back. I am now back. Yes. Ay, shooting myself. Shooting myself. Just a second, I'm gonna drink some water. So, I'm back. Yay. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, it can't change. Oh well, who cares? So, yeah. I have to post stuff. Create post. Yeah. Stream is currently on. Smiley face. So, yeah. Yay. I'm back. So, what else should I do? Try to explain this, even though no one's here yet. Basically, closures. Closures and stuff. Close that one. Still no one. So, contextuals. So basically, the difference between contextuals and closures is when the value is binded or gotten, basically. So, yeah. So, yeah. I just got. Oh, never mind. Yay! I'm bored. Yeah. I am very much bored. Very bored. Very bored. Bored. Very bored. Yeah. 0 views. Concurrent viewers, chat rate, 0 views. I'm gonna wait until someone goes by. So, yeah, closures. Cancel. Closures. We have stuff. We have closures. And we have contextuals. See the difference of the syntax? So this is the same. But guess what's not the same? These are. So those are parameters. This is a contextual. And this is a closure. It's the syntax. Is this. And this. Closures. That's the stuff. Basically. So this is the contextuals and this is the closures. So you need to define, when you're defining closures, you need to put a colon there. Because, well, this is just defining a contextual. This is defining the closures without explicitly defining the contextual. So you can leave that empty. That is valid. But I don't want to do that. So anyways, yeah. Stuff. It's kind of boring waiting for someone to pop out in chat. So yeah. Still no one. Everyone went on with their day. So while they have went on with their day, I'm just gonna do stuff. Probably. So yeah. Myla is like Lua, but more C, and definitely much more, not much more faster actually. But it depends. It's a hell of a lot good, and since everything is very simple, it's very fast. It's fast because it's simple. That's it. That's literally what that does. Yeah. So yay. Vladilina Maze. I don't know why I did that. Should I teach Myla Anybody? Is anybody there? Is anybody there? Is anybody there? Ah! So yeah. Yeah, I'm alone. Oh wait, I can pop out another chat. it's, it's the same chat. It's not the same chat. Oh, it's the same chat. It's the same chat. How did I? Oh, because I refreshed this. Well, that's not good. It's reconnected. Okay, it's reconnected. I still have, yeah, chat right one. It's me. I chatted. Okay. Oh yeah, approximation of pi using. Yay. I'm just gonna wait for someone to go by. I am scratching my head right now. I don't know what I am doing. Shimmy shimmy ya, drugs, walla la la. Shimmy shimmy ya, drugs, walla la la. I am bored. I am bored. I am very bored. Bored. Excusez-moi, madame. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy because there's no one watching. It is currently Tuesday, March 31, 2026. Yeah. Oh. Hello. Someone's watching. Yay. Nice. So, it's still running. No wonder my laptop was. No wonder why it was warm. So, hello. How may I entertain you? It's the. Oh yeah, I forgot about the delay. Are they even still here? I think they might be. So, anyways, closures and contextuals. Yay. Maybe start with. Wait, is there IO? I know I made an IO. Oh, I removed that one. Oh, there's text IO, so there must be file IO. There it is. With Fibonacci. So functions. There is also namespace is memtest. Oh, it just tries to do stuff. Okay. Normal output, compacted output. Oh, CD project C Mila. Sample mem test Mila. Yeah, it just does that. So it's much more faster. Instead of printing every item or key value pair inside, it doesn't kill the memory trying to build a long string. Anyways, what else can I? Are they still there? They left. Anyways, factorial. Yay! I am bored and I'm becoming crazy. Ah, scheiße. Yeah, the concurrent viewer just went bye. How can I know who viewed my video? I think I cannot do that. That's all. That's odd. Oh. Well, someone viewed the stream. That's good enough. I mean, look at my analytics. That's yay. Look at how lonely my channel is. Views. 446 more than usual. And then there's the watch time. It's cool. Yay! 50% more than previous. Yeah, that's cool. And the subscribers. Oh, that's sad. It went. Wait, it went. What? It's weird. Anyways, is anybody watching? No, no one is. Yeah, it went down and then went up. Yeah, well, at least it went up. It has a net. Yeah, two. Then the others unsubscribe. Oh, learning Rust. Someone unsubscribed because I was learning Rust. That's oh, come on now. Programming session. Someone unsubscribe. Oh yeah, there was two. Yeah, I guess that's cool. Okay, random stuff. Random stuff. Oh, this. Yeah, it just. Yay, subscriber count. Well, it's much more better than the old days. How do I change the lifetime queries? Look at how. Yeah, just one. There's 0, 1. I think that was my alt account. That's why it stayed that way long. And then it just jumped into 40. This is when I started posting those Shikonoko videos. And then this is when I started posting, when I actually started posting programming stuff. This is that. So this is, I think this was December. Yeah. So let's go here. Last year. So yeah, this is when I started posting more of programming. There's no one watching my stream. Oh. Anyways, yeah. Well, it was cool, and then it raised to 70. It's 72, 77? What? When did I reach 77? I don't know. It's surprising. It's, well, huh? Oh, that's actually pretty good. But still, oh, okay, good. What? I have 77 subscribers. What? And there's still no one watching me. How did I get 77 subscribers? Oh, this is oh, that's the channel. You know, no one did some stuff. So, yeah, there's no one's watching. Wow, I cannot believe that. Seriously, I have 77 subscribers. That's cool. I guess that's not. I guess that's cool. Imagine 77 people in real life being part of your group. That's cool. That's cool. Even though there was not much watching. Yeah, I'm gonna keep pressuring some person to finally click on the stream. How would they know that I'm pressuring? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna continue doing it. So yeah. Why is there two chats? But who cares? Current viewers views. Just chat right. That's me. That's just me. And current viewers, there's one. So yeah, sad. I've been live for 14 minutes now, and I still haven't gotten any other viewers. We're gonna wait. We are gonna wait. So we're gonna talk about programming, memory allocation, Rust 2018, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, the Artemis mission. The people are gonna go back to the moon. Yeah. Yay! I'm going crazy. I am going crazy. Oh my god. So, Myla. Yay. Yeah. Literally, yay. Literally, yay. Syntax. So yeah, about that, we do have support for NeoVim. README, ML string, ML paths. But ends, MLRX. This is unused, but it does work. It just parses the arguments of basically, yeah. It's cool. It's cool, very cool. Cool. Very cool, very cool. Basically. So now I should remove args. We don't actually use it. It's yeah, we don't actually use it. Where is it? It's we just missed it. Yeah, we just manually check stuff. Yay! Woo! So what now? There's no one watching. I could end the stream. I mean, I did post this, and no one really took notice of this. Choding is also very quiet. He hasn't posted any lives yet. I think he's just busy streaming in Twitch and not in YouTube. Sad. Why is Choding not streaming on YouTube? Or I mean, posting on YouTube? Did something happen to Choding? Just joking, no. I am not gonna jinx it. Well, I already did. Okay, anyways, yay, we have this. Whoa. Ayan, whoa. 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 How big is this? So let's see. Make clean. CD into examples rated. Make clean. CD back out and WC dash L. $10,000 lines. Wow, that's cool. 10,000 lines of code. That's cool. Still, no one's watching. I'm sad. Let's talk about the US. And the imagine that actually worked. If I mentioned the Epstein files, would YouTube not recommend my live anymore? Or would it recommend it too much because of the recent events that have transpired in the US? I'm gonna mention it once again. The Epstein files. Nobody's mad enough about that scheiße. Why am I? No. That shit is. No. The Epstein files is. I don't know why no one's trying to prosecute the president. Like, there's millions of people. Billions? What was it again? Population 2026. So almost 500 million. That many people. Yeah. It's reconnected now, and there should be, yep. So 1 concurrent viewers. Me yapping about the US stuff did work. Wow. So hello, welcome to the stream. I am trying to implement my own programming language in C. And here's an example of that programming language. If you're interested. If you aren't interested in the topic, you can suggest another topic. Another topic, and I will try my best to use that topic for your entertainment. Oh yeah, I did not put anything there. Oh, hello! Welcome back to the stream. I can't believe you did went back. Did go back. Tenses are hard. So anyways, yeah. What else can we talk about? I can't believe that that dubbing is older than my brother. Wait, when was dubbing popular? Oh wait, I think it was in 2017. Yeah, 2013 and 2014. It's 1 year older than my brother. Anyways, so what would you like me to do in my programming language? Any features that you may want to add and credited to you? Don't worry, I feel the same. If I may ask, how old are you? Where did where was I? Oh yeah, config. What? Why is it? Oh, it's recent. Config home. Why is it not? Oh, it wasn't okay. Config 17. Oh, you're about to turn 17. I am 16 years old. About to turn 17 this year as well. Where's... Oh, there it is. Packages, Myla, syntax. Add objects. And in here, where is it? There it is. Basically... Oh, wait, no, I can just... Wait. Comparison, assignment, augmented. It's just... Yeah, that. Oh, that's at least I am what was the word? Uh, I am why I cannot speak. I apologize. Oh my goodness, I forgot the word. I was thinking of. I appreciate your commitment to watching my stream. I admire that kind of behavior. There we go. Finally remembered it. So, yeah, any suggestions to what I can do with my language? Especially since you're a Pythonista, I would think that you would also have some stuff to want in a language, a certain feature and stuff. I am. Can you even hear me popping my lips? Oh, you can. Just. Oh yeah, I can also whistle with my hand. That's a random skill that I have. Function definitions, as you can see here. The actual syntax is much more close. Oh wait, is it explained in the function itself? Nope. Actually, yeah. So function definition is basically this syntax. These two can be omitted, meaning you don't really need those. You can define functions like this, or this, or this, or both of the squiggly brackets, basically. So these are the what the hell happened with my possible definitions for a syntax, for oh my goodness, for a function. So basically, this first square bracket, these and these are the same. Wait, these two are the same, as well as these two are the same. Yeah, these two are the same. Basically, what the first square brackets mean is contextuals. As you can see, it was used here. I will explain it in more detail in a bit. Closures, which you may have already encountered in Python, are defined with the second set of square brackets. So basically, since you know Python, it's basically like yeah, it's so this stuff. So this is valid in Python. So what this means is that this function is gonna be using this this variable. So every time we don't return the counter, return counter. So basically, oh weird shadow, mk counter. So basically, yeah, there we go. What happens is this function will be able to modify this variable. So if I made a test Python here, and oops, I just copied this over. Oh, what the hell? There we go. It did not work. That's weird. I have Python installed. Oh, because I haven't used anything. So counter is equal to mk counter, and then you can just use print. Whoops, too much programming in my own language. Counter. So as you can see, it prints 1, and then if I do that, prints 2. So yeah, there. It's that syntax. It just basically, it's an object. It's a simple object. You do know classes, right? So basically it's like this. It's basically just another it's just an abstraction basically. What? Separate types and only show one. Oh, come on now. The LSP does not like yeah. So what? Oh, self.count. So basically that's what this is trying to avoid. So you don't actually use objects. It's much more simpler. It's a hidden state basically. So even though it looks like it should not work, it works. So if I had 2 counters, it would still work. As you can see, 1 2 1 2. It does not affect the same count because every time I make another counter, it's a new variable, which then this binds to. So basically, yeah, it steals this variable. That's what this line means basically. Like, I'm gonna be using this variable out of the function scope where it was defined, and it's just there. Oh, and this line can just basically be rewritten as this. It's just that. So yeah, function definitions are not that hard in Mila if you know what you're doing. Though, let me just undo all of this. So did you catch closures or no? I may have overcomplicated stuff, but that's the best I can explain stuff. So yeah, that's closures, and contextuals are basically hidden parameters. So it's like self, but for anything. So for example, you have these contextuals are like hidden. Yeah, I already said that. So like some, for example, we have a logger. This is a logger, and then we define a function dot logs, and then we take in a logger and then another value. We don't do anything. So every every time we call this function, we would need to pass in the logger function dot logs, and then logger, and then the value every time. So what the contextual does is that it basically allows the reverse of closures, basically. So what we can do is that, so we're gonna use the examples here, is that we grab this from the scope that's gonna call us. As you can see, we don't pass count anywhere, but because of this, it gets it, it steals it. This single line tells reader or us this might be grabbed by a function with contextuals. This is the count contextual of the context function. So when we call context, it's gonna check the local scope, or the colors this is scope for count. It's gonna look for count in this scope. So if this was in scope, so let's put it in a scope there, it's gonna look for count. If it samples closures and that, what, oh, is my chat not refreshing? Oh, it didn't refresh. I knew it. I was okay. So now we just need to explain contextuals to you. So as you can see now, oh my goodness, that's embarrassing. There you go. It works just the same as the closures did. So just put that there. So now let me just poop. Oh no, here. So now maybe let's refresh that again. Okay, so that's the smallest it can go. So here, if we remove this line, it's not gonna be able to find it. Yeah, there it is. Function context requires the contextual value count. So we need this line, even though it already exists in the local scope. This exists because I don't want people to not know something is getting grabbed from the local scope. Although you can make it implicit like that, and that actually defeats the purpose. It defeats the purpose. It just becomes null. And then only when it does exist. But the point of the syntax is just to allow programmers to see that, oh, some function inside this scope might get this count variable. Yeah. So now I can just remove this question mark. So basically, it just grabs this variable so that we don't need to pass it explicitly. There's no syntax yet that would allow me to make it even more explicit like that, which would be fun. And this feature is reminiscent of Scala's context parameters. Scala has that as well. Yeah, there we go. Parameters that a programmer can omit at the call site, and the compiler will automatically provide them by searching the surrounding scope. Here it is. So using config. So this config wouldn't need to us to pass it explicitly, although we can, but we can omit it. So it's very important when you're making allocators, because you can just make an allocator. Oh, hey man, I didn't know how to download Rayleigh for C language because the tutorials all about C++ is their website that help. So here's what I'm gonna advise you. What are you using? Are you using Windows or Linux? So we're just gonna help this guy for a second. And oh yeah, I forgot about the delay. Doesn't matter, but Windows. So it actually does matter. If you are gonna download Windows, you can probably just go to GitHub and just search Raylib there. Oh wait, oh yeah, right. Just search Raylib download for Windows. Raylib download for Windows, because you can't just make it yourself literally. I think there's instructions here, examples, textures. Oh yeah, there's, oh damn it, wiki, it might be here at the wiki. Nope. Development programs. Oh, here it is, working on Windows. So check this out. I'm gonna paste it into the chat, and yeah, use that link. Especially here, look, there's guides for Visual Studio if you're using that, and there's also this. So yeah, here it is. There you go. Most important for C. Yeah, Raylib is written in C. So there's the links for you to use. And now we'll be back on track. Contextuals. So allocators. So I have an allocator. Not C. Yeah, not C++. Yep. So now we can define our function that may allocate. So now, oh whoops. Now we can go here and probably, yeah, not probably, and go here and go allocator. Allocator. Oh yeah, and I might, oh actually that's pretty cool. I did not think of that. But yeah. So now have this, our so then this underscore allocator, and then we can just, yeah, actually it's pretty, I did not think of that. Wow. I did not think of that. That's pretty cool. I did not think of that at all. I did not think of that. Where was I? Yes. So function that may allocate and allocator. So we can go allocator. Okay, we're connected. So yeah, you're very welcome, Yazanchi. May your Raylib projects, I don't know, thrive. Thrive. So now we can go contextual. So like here, let me just go here and change this into fan size, println allocated size bytes. So we just do that. So when we do that, it just allocates. And now I'm gonna show you how to add syntax in my programming language, because I kinda need to. So we have that now. We can go allocator and probably return do stuff with object. But now we just do that, and we're gonna do this. This is our allocator, and yeah, I'm gonna add contextual and probably do that. Raw contextual, level cannot become contextual. If so, there's id. So if keyword at, this keyword at, damn it. As, and then we're gonna go s source, pos plus equal 2 because that's the length of 2, and then we're gonna go char star id is equal to char star name alias is equal to parse ident as if your alias contextual is not right. Return. No, we need to freeze some stuff. So res v tag error, e syntax error, alias contextual %s is incomplete, and then id. Now we're gonna go free id, and then we're gonna go and return res. So now we're just gonna go id is equal to alias. So now if we build, should still be the same. Okay, why? Oh, because I didn't. Okay, so now if we go here and create our syntax contextual, don't forget to add that here. Subject contextual as, so here we can go contextual allocator as underscore allocator. So that's what that is. So now here we're gonna, that's it basically. So it's gonna grab that function and use that as our allocator. Oh, that's a problem. We cannot. Okay, we cannot forget that. It's fine. So forget contextual. Forget contextual. It's fine. So now we just go to that functionally allocate. Basically we just call that functionally allocate, and we're just gonna give it. That's it. We're just gonna call that, and that should work. Okay, that's a problem. But that, look at that, allocated 10 bytes. So what happened here? Malloc. Oh, I did not free it. That's the problem. Okay, so basically, it's an implicit parameter. That's what you need to understand for that. There we go. That should no longer, there it works. No more warnings. So as you can see, it's very cool. Let me just shrink the chat. So you don't need to pass in the allocator everywhere. So I'm very proud of my programming language. So I'm gonna add the syntax to forget contextuals, because why not? Oh, scheiße. F makes sense. Basically. So where were we? Forget. What if we put? Okay, that's cool. I could. That makes sense. But no. But then people would assume, fine. Char star names is equal to parse context list. Yes, we're just and then we're gonna go return v null. Then in here we're gonna go env remove name for char star name is equal to names 0. Oh no, oh damn it, as well as freeing it. We don't free it, so that should work, I guess. So now we can just go for get allocator, and then if we print if we call that again, it just okay, it doesn't work. Let's see. It also leaks memory. Why? Oh, we don't free. Okay, free names. It's not env remove. It's the env remove env what? Env remove we didn't contextual wall. So we're gonna go env remove. Bam, boom. Env remove contextual, and instead of env vars we go contextual vars, and now it should work. It okay, it doesn't. Free we do remove it. Why doesn't it work? Why? Yeah, remove underscore allocator. Why does it exist then? No, it cannot be. Weird. Very weird. That's weird. That should have not happened, but it did. Huh. That's awkward. So why? Let's see. Context allocator as allocator underscore allocator. We forget underscore allocator. It does forget it ish. So let's try and check that. Cause why didn't you work? That's weird. That should print nil if you go env get contextual env names I. You haven't freed that yet, so that should work. And it is not. No. So we go names I. It's allocator. So you're telling me if I get that, I can just it's gonna say fault. It's not gonna say fault, of course it won't. But what's the type though? I am curious. Type name. It's function. So it did. You've got to be kidding me. It did not forget it at all. Why? Why did I sing that? No, we're in a scope, so that should bind to this scope, and then we forget that. So when we actually call it here, now it should error. But in here, it doesn't work. Weird. Env dump. Contextual bars. So now that also prints that. Why is that? The definition of V. There we go. And now we can just go dump vars, and shouldn't it does print it, of course. Allocator function allocator path 0x7. Let's see if yeah, there's one reference to it. Why didn't it? Why does it survive? すいません contextual set raw contextual. Yeah, why doesn't it work? Varen, why doesn't it work? Boom. So we have that, we have this. This is something. So why won't it get deleted? That's weird. Why won't you get deleted? Why? It should have removed it. And it should have removed it. It should. Ah. So now it does work. But it's broken. Get contextual. Oh, maybe because we don't set it to null. Minor free recur name, minor free recur. We don't really we retain it when we do, right? So when we remove it's fine. So probably because we don't set it to null. Just so that's where we read. So because we freed it. That's the value, isn't it? Yeah, that's the value. So what else? What could have set? So allocated. Heap. So it was allocated in the set raw contextual. And it was freed by env remove contextual. It should have worked unless set local raw set raw contextual release contextual first. So contextual get contextual. You don't check, don't we? So 1741 was the error. 1743, it's this. V name did not exist at all. Now it should move 1744. It's this. Just continue to the next loop. It's gonna be 45 now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's gonna be 44. It's getting very quiet. So what's happening is that we're this file requires unimplemented 64-bit mode not compiled in. That is some problem. Can you give us the complete error? That's weird. 64-bit. Very weird. What? It's my first time hearing that error. Minted 64-bit. Let me see that. What? Compiled in. Yeah. 30-bit compiler. Oh! Yeah. Usually on Windows. So, yeah, I think, yep, you need to install this. You need to install min GW W64. Yeah, there is. Yeah, this one. Here it is. There is your stuff. Yeah. If you download that version of MinGW and then make sure that you set that up, I think there. Yeah. So, anyways, back to my problem. How is it? So, what? That's a marker, isn't it? No, it cannot be. We forget that. Or is it because we did it? No, there it is. It should be gone. So what happens? Yep, that's true. I remember trying to install Python as the first time. Oh, now I'm hungry. Now I am hungry. Where was I? Ah, yes, this. Yeah, nice. I will remember that name. Hopefully, not good with names. What if we just do that and we just set it to null? That's the equivalent of. But if no one's gonna produce too much contextuals, right? Okay, it doesn't work. Great. Very great. Why? Why won't you work? Why? Why won't you work? We're gonna just check the next vars. And then you set this as the head. So when you create an environment, do you set? That's why. I knew it. So now that should work. It does not work. It does not work. Segv on unknown address. 0 page. Duh. Oh, now we. Oh, wow. 1954. That was idiotic. There we go. And it does not work. Congratulations. Keep use after free. On address that that's probably so it was here in we remove contextual, but we used it in get contextual in 1745. 2990. That's weird. What the hell? That's very annoying. What the hell? Why won't that work? We remove contextual. Removing variables doesn't work that way either, right? Oh no, if it does work like that, I will be pissed. So variable vars v, forget v, and then print lnv. That should print null. That should print null, and it should not. Okay, good, it does work. But the moment we do a contextual version of v, just say, will it work like that? 9, it does not work. Undefined function println. Look at how much it breaks everything. What the hell? Undefined function println. What? Why? What? That's not good. Why is it weird? Very weird. What happens? Is it? Yeah, that's weird. That shouldn't happen. What? But if we go V, it's null. But when we try to remove the contextual version, we're hit with that. And it thinks println is messed up. Huh? What? Oh my goodness. Why? Why is it that way? Let's check. Forget. Let's check. So we release. Okay. We release that. And then. Oh, okay. So it just. Okay. So basically. Okay. We also release it. But contextual raw. That's. Yeah, we do raw when we're setting the contextual, so that actually is no wait contextual raw contextual, so it doesn't increment it, so we don't actually need to free it, because when we free the variable, so why won't you work? What if we just go in v set local raw contextual env and just set it to null? Oh, scheiße. What was that? That was weird. So what happens now? It does not work. It does the same thing. So in valrete, wait, valrete, why would you? I need some. Where's retain? Why is there no retain? Where is the retain? Oh, okay, fine. There we go. What? There we go. So now we do this, and then if not we return. What? So what's the problem? 1349. Ah? I don't. Oh my goodness. Where is it even called? Eval primary. What? Oh, this. Wait, no. What? I don't know any. Oh, whoops. Well, I don't know anymore. This doesn't work as well. Because that happens. It says it's freed in 1954. It was freed. Eval statement 4545. It was allocated in, yeah, it should be in, yeah, there it's called there too, and then, oh, it's talking about, oh, set raw contextual. We don't actually do that yet in VE Curve. Oh, you son of a, oh wait, no, this is it. This, so it's, yeah, no, I thought, no. Set local contextual. Yeah, we do the same thing. Yeah, we do the same thing. We set it to null now, so we moved on to the next bug that's happening. The value. So here in E and V, we made sure we set it to null. It does not work at all. Parent, is it parent? E. What? I do not understand what's happening here. Step back. Yeah, it does some buggy stuff. Undefined function. There it is. It's not callee. So this became null. How would that become null? Where's the other? What? There's only one? Oh, this is... Oh, no. What? There's only one of this? There's no other checks? Okay, so it's here. So why would it be? You know, we can go top vars. It's gonna be noisy. Wait, we're gonna go printf called %s, then ID here. Yeah, there it is, called print n. Function print ln. Wait. Oh. It's gonna be noisy. But bam. Great. Very good. Great. Very great. Very good. Very good. Very good. There was truly nothing. Why would that be? Why? 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 Why won't it work? That's just annoying. Very annoying. Why? 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 So you're telling me I need to... It's still... keep use after free. Wow. Let's see what the reason is. So we do val release and stuff. Why? Why? Why doesn't it work? We're not even deleting anything. We're just setting it again. Why? 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 Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? Where is contextual again? Is it contextual? Contextual. There it is. Do we return anything? We don't return anything. Yep. Variable percentage can become contextual. It doesn't exist. Yada yada yada. How does it not work? How does it not work? How does it not work? It is really annoying. 35. 80. No. Something. In. Where the hell is that? Forget. There it is. Forget. So, freed in 1939. 1839. Oh, I get it now. Yeah. Contextual. Oh. What? No. What? That's not how that should work. We don't release it anywhere. Also, that doesn't get released anywhere as well. So why? Why do we do that? What? It's still zero. What? Huh? I'm pissed off. Oh. No. Oh, that's just embarrassing. That's just embarrassing. No, I do recompile it, but why is it not work? Why is it still? No, it cannot be. No. What? Why? Why would? Huh? Why? But why? Why won't it work? Why won't it work? I am getting annoyed. I may end the stream soon. I may need to take a long break after this because I do not get anything that's happening in this thing. Okay, so allocated. So it's talking about this. Then it was freed in val release in set local. So this. So this freed this, and this is thinking that I was still accessing this. That's not how that works at all. What? So if I remove that, it works now. What the hell is happening? Okay, let's see. Let's see. If you remove contextual, what if you forget it as well? So we forget fee that it existed at all, and then it doesn't still work. Oh, I think you need to build it manually. That's wait, what? Why would you? Oh, I think there is an exe file. Is there files that doesn't have any extensions? If there are, that's probably the executables. You can probably run them. So you need to set up your path. I think there's tutorials on YouTube on how to do that. You just need to pass in the path of the folders that contain those files. So check bin. Is there a bin there? Oh, let me just check this. Yeah, there is. Oh, it's a torb. Oh, come on now. I don't. Oh, does this support that? Downloads. Stop was there. I forgot about that. Where's the? Oh, yeah, I tried to run this with wine. It did not work. Oh, you have that. Oh, it's incomplete. Sad. Farina. What's the name? This. Extract. Not here. Okay, whew, good thing it did. So let's see. Runtime tools. There should be. Oh yeah, there's some stuff. Oh, you need to. What? You need to build it? Why? I think you need to build it. Oh, great. There's no readme. That's cool. Categories. What the hell? Yeah. Is there Windows? Where's Windows? Okay, here's Windows. This is probably the best one. So, great. Let's refresh it. What? So there's out here. I almost died there. Surprise me. So let's see. Releases. Source. Oh yeah, there it is. There's some stuff here. Oh no, not installing that. I meant to copy. No. And so copy. Copy link. Where's copy link? That give me okay. So here is the. Yeah. It's weird. You can't just have stuff working out of the box. And if this link just don't be wary of the links I'm sending. I'm not a bad guy, but who knows? I'm not saying I am bad, but you can't trust anything and expect it. Okay, I'm getting deja vu. Holy, I'm getting deja vu. What the hell? I just got deja. Okay, I am. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Probably because why is this not working now? Let's get back on track. This, I don't know. TP after use. Ego val release. Whoa. Oh, because we do this. So if we... Oh! Okay. So if we forget allocator, that might actually cause seg faults. Yeah. Because of this. You can only set it to... Oh, okay. I still don't get it why it's not working. So this seg faults because this is freed. But that should still work. Yeah, now it's doing that. Why would it get freed? Hello, wait a second. What gets freed here? Oh, the old value. Oh, we cannot do this. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, so that's the reason. Oh my goodness. Contextual. Anything with contextual in it cannot. No wonder. Now it should work. Finally, I fixed it. We don't know yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yes! Yes! It works! So this should still work though. Okay, now that doesn't work. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. We're almost there. Holy. Okay. How shall what happened? So heap call function get contextual 1745. Whoops, that's not a good date. Okay. In 2986. In V get contextual name. So what's the problem there? Two, four. Okay, so what? Yeah. Okay. But what? This is hurting my head. We're almost there. We were so close. We were so close. So close. No, that should not do anything because, yeah, that doesn't exist there. The where? Allocated there and there, and it's remove contextual. How is it freed in remove? Why? What do you mean? No, that shouldn't be possible. No. What? I'm going crazy from this. is called function, and here is when we bind the contextual values. There's no doubt that one of the errors is from there. No, it's yeah, there it is in 2986. Exactly this line. Okay. First of all, why did it not get updated? Second, why? This is the same. Wait a second. It's correct. So, env set contextual, set local contextual. We can't retain it. We can't. We simply cannot retain it. Wait, can we retain? No, we cannot retain it. Yeah, we can't. Oh. Anything in contextual stuff, we cannot retain it. So, yeah. So, when you remove contextual, we set the, yeah, we set, oh wait a second, whoa. I fixed it. I fixed it. Oh my goodness gracious. I fixed it once and for all. It's fixed. It is fixed. Wow. So, as you can see, yay. Yeah. Function that we allocate requires the contextual value underscore allocator. And we intentionally forgotten it. So that's cool. And we have aliasing contextual values. That's cool as well. So now, yay! Woo! I wonder how. Oh my goodness! Can I? Sumimasen. I'm bored. I'm bored now. So I'm just gonna update really this script to, I don't know, change the green food pellets. Oh, those are the only, okay. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna change it with marigold, because why not? Marigold. And then we're gonna search, oh, wrong one. There it is. Marigold X, there it is. It is EAA221. RGB is this. And just replace that. There we go. Now I can just go see the examples. Relib. Yay. I had a t-shirt with this color once. I gave it to someone. I wonder if they still have it. So yeah. It works. Contextual stuff works as well. Oh yeah, I just noticed this. That's marigold-ish, more orangey though, different than the this. It's actually it's almost similar if you see it. Oh, um, eh. What if we do play that? I have. Yeah, that. Let's test how good my eyes. Oh, my eyes. Thank goodness. Sure.
Target player.
Let's go. Why not? It's a dark green. It looks like deep green. It has yellow in it. So probably around here. It is dark, so closer to here. But remember, was it... It was saturated. It's probably way more... Yeah, here. I was off. What happened there? It was orangey. Oh, it was... yeah, it was up there. Damn it. It's basically purple guy if he got... I was off. It was bluish. It's dark. It's puke green, but darker. There's a hint of yellow. Actually, it looks yellowish. Probably this. Oh, found it. My eyes are made for web development, of course. That's... It's still with gray. So basically that. There. And gray. Probably... Yeah, there. Oh, it's way too... It's close. It's way close. Wow. Look at that. Nice. It's cool. Wow. Sumimasen. I mean, sorry. What the hell? So now well, I guess that's cool. Error. I guess we can just catch error. Oh, whoops. What the hell? Oh, I was... So now we can... Oh, wrong one. Whoops. Oh, wait. Samples. What is closures? I'm gonna eat after this. I'm hungry. So yeah, there it is. It printed it, but it's not an actual error. Function that may allocate requires contextual value allocator. So yeah, there you go. So it works. I can take a break now. Woo! Function that may allocate requires a contextual value allocator. I just realized 41 minutes. Yeah. Wait, was it really 41 minutes? Oh, damn. Oh, my hands are cold. I can feel my stomach about to grumble. Yeah. My programming language is... The first one is complete. The first version is complete, I guess. Wait, should I add more features or should I release it? Like, freeze this stuff. I need to improve the examples though. And I need to include this and update the other syntaxes. So, yeah. That stuff. Yeah, I did not explain that. There's contextuals. Yeah, here's the... It's dedicated to explaining contextuals. So as for variable... Yeah. That's... Yeah. Yay! Woo! So, now that I'm finished programming... Oh yeah, you're eating. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm just gonna go fetch some food. Be right back. have returned. And I have my food. It's just corned beef. Corned beef. No, no, no. Hold it right there. I crave the corned beef, so I have corned beef now. I burnt myself trying to cook corned beef the other day. Wait, no, last Saturday. Nice. Now, what got you into programming? I discovered programming because oil. I put the onions and I didn't realize. So the oil was very, very hot because I left it to warm up. And when I put the onions in, it popped. The onions popped in the oil. And the oil splashed onto my arms. Good thing that there wasn't a lot of oil. Some got into my face. Yeah, but yeah. Still burnt me though. Even it hurt like for a few minutes. Oh yeah, that's let me see. So, what got you into programming? Probably because it cools down the oil a bit. I just saw some random YouTube video about programming and I was just intrigued, and then I just started programming in Python. So yeah, I started programming because I thought it was cool. Oh, I see. I never learned how to make bots in Discord. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, I forgot. Python has a ton of libraries for bots. Yeah. That's cool. So what other features? That works. This single line. That single line cost me more than half an hour. Oh yeah, Python was designed to be simple. The only problem is I have some stuff that I hate about Python. I forgot about the other ones. But yeah, the speed and the object sizes are very annoying. Just a second. So here. Yeah. So like what was it, OS? I know there's a size of here. Set std. Wait, where's I? SE. What? There's no. That's weird. It's OS. Yeah, it's not everything, but most of it is a dictionary. Either a dictionary or an object. Oh wait, get. It's get size of, there it is, found you. Size of, let's say a dictionary, 64 bytes for an empty dictionary. That's a, until you realize that's not the real size. I don't believe that that's the size at all. Now let's see. A string, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 characters. That's 47 bytes. That's actually pretty cool size. In my language, that would be around the same size. My dictionaries would be a little bit more than this. Probably 80 bytes, but it was empty. So there's actually a flag that shows you the size of a value. So it's either 48 bytes to 240 bytes. It doesn't count the actual data stored, but the box that surrounds it. So the smallest is 48 bytes, and the biggest is 240 bytes, which is pretty small actually. Pretty small, especially compared to languages like Python. Since you can do operator overloading, but you need to do it in the C side. You can't just go here and say, oh, I want function objects, function values to be able to add to each other and stuff. You can't do that on runtime. You need to build your type behind the scenes. So here, I'll give you an example. Where's built-ins? So these are the method tables for every type that, oh, this isn't counted, for every type that has any operator overloading. So I need to actually remove that. Isn't there like, okay, so it isn't used anywhere. I can build that, I believe, I hope. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's here. What? In 1609. Ah, here it is. That wasn't even used. So yeah, where is it? So here's the operator overloading for the list. So the first one is the representation of the list. Second one is the string of the list. So this returns the representation, this returns the string. So this is the overloading to free the object, and then this is the overloading to turn it into an iterator. And here's the setters and getters. So this set get item and set item is basically this and this. That's the two syntax, reading and setting. So that's just like in Python, the dunder get and dunder set item stuff. That's basically what those two are. There's more actually, if you can see. Yeah, here it is. So this is all of the operations that you can overload. This is just a sentinel. So this is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, right and left shift, less than, greater than, or equal. And then this is just the less than or greater than, equal or not equal, and or. And then this default operator is basically this. It's the same as val or val in Python. So yeah, and there's the two, and here's the stuff, and then the for each, and then here's the stuff to that. And there's this new one, globbing. Strings supported. So yeah, by default objects are pretty small because this is all of the operations that you can override, and there's no methods for the value. Globbing is basically, you know, the syntax you use for that. Yeah, there, that's how it works. So you basically glob it. So like ls globbing, here, bash globbing. yeah, it's like regex, if you know regex. It's a simpler version, basically pattern matching, if you will. So for example, here actually, yeah. So Myla supports that, which is the name of the programming language, by the way. It means minimal language. Minimum. Forgot. Minimum. Myla. I think it was minimum language. Minimal language. Yeah, there you go. Minimal language. So Myla supports it. The logic for it here, I think it's glob. No. Pattern. Yeah, here it is, match. So here's the stuff for it. It's literally just two functions that can fit on in the screen. Oh, come on. Yeah, there. This two functions. So it supports basic globbing and ranges. So yeah, it can do that. Yay! So it's pretty cool, very cool. There's other, yeah. Here's the dictionaries, the arrays, and then the ranges, and then iterable strings. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, so this we can go be method set item. Actually, should we? No, we're not gonna support that for strings. Be methods get item, and then iString get. Then we're just gonna go F12. So it is iString get self, and then the other one index. We won't check for stuff, because why would we check for stuff? vstring duplicate char star array instead, and in here we're gonna go stir get integer index, and then end it with a 0. So now we can index. Yeah, there's nothing. And now we can index iStrings. Oh, where? Yeah, here it is. So we can go up here, go iString test, and just go that. Oh, expected to call. Oh. There's memory leaks, but it did work. It did work. What happened? I think that do malloc val new vstring do iString get. Oh, this. Why would it have memory leaks? Actually do take, but that's not. What? Why? We duplicate it, and then we do that. We don't really. Oh, it's the string itself that's not free. Okay, I need to fix that. Why? Oh, whoops. Oh my goodness, stop. Oh well, I will fix that, hopefully. So that's a problem. I hope it's not. Please don't. Okay, so there's no memory leaks for arrays. Weird. Why does it exist for? Oh, the wrong one. Hello. Oh, goodness me. What? Okay, I'm just gonna put there. Get a. Oh. Okay, get array. Let's see. Yeah, we get it. We get it. So why does it not? Okay. So that should have worked. How about ice string? Yeah, we just stir dupe it. Stir dupe it. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. V on opaque, yeah. Set table, yeah. And then return it. And then we iterate get. Mirrored. Oh, we don't. Okay, got you. I got you. Why? Huh. We don't free that thing that we technically. Oh wait, no, we copied it. We copied the string, so yeah. A C string. V on the opaque stir. Just a second. What? Okay. I see. So it turned out in a string. That should have still been freed. That's weird. V on the opaque. Okay. Then we set the pointer's name. Okay. Then we set okay. And then we return it. I string get does nothing. There's nothing there. Why won't it work? That's weird. Why won't it work? There's nothing there that could ever possibly be. So, what got you into here, your Fav Guy 1? V-string dupe. I should get. Okay. So, it's not freed. Weird. Malloc. Malloc. V-string dupe. V-string get. What? There's two? Whoa, what? There's two allocations in here? Whoa. Yeah, there's two allocations of the same thing. Huh. Is it because we retain it? Probably. Who knows? Who cares? Or maybe I do. Probably that. We retain. No. We release the index. There it is. We release the object as well. We set there. We don't retain it nowhere. So what's the problem? Handle search. Handle change subscripts. Yada yada. We do that. What? So let's see. So when we do that, it should no longer be that. And then after that, what now? Why? Let me just take a bite of my corned beef here. In the wrong one. This one. Got you. Now the only problem is that every other type won't. it's gonna, yeah, save fault. Of course, now we gotta fix that. Yeah, alright. There's no leaks. Yes, that can work, isn't it? It's gonna save fault, yep. Oh, okay, not working, huh? Oh, now it does. Heap use after free on. Oh, goodness, why? Valerie, stick entry free. Oh my. By what? Yeah, I'm not. So why? So we retain it. So what happens is that, oh, but then, oh my, we can't just do that because there's no free, isn't it? Yeah, we can't really just free it. Just a second. Weird. I mean, not here. Yeah. Removing this fixes it. I'm too lazy to fix it today. So this leaks memory. That's what. Okay. So anyways, should I end the stream now? Assuming that any of you are still there. The thing is, I did not refresh the chat enough times. Okay, no. Okay. I have no idea what to do else, and I am tired. I did start streaming like what? 4? That's like a lot of hours. My own programming language. So, yeah. Until then, yeah, I'll need to finalize the features. Yeah. Oh, what? What? Oh, yeah, 2 hours. Yeah. And then the other 2 hours with the other stream, if I can find it. Content. This has the most. This one my other videos of this got like thousands of views. Yeah, 1 hour, and this was. Where the hell is it? Oh, it doesn't show us the time, but yeah, this was an hour. This was around an hour ago. Oh yeah, no, this. and then this. So that's, yeah, 2 hours plus, yeah, 4 hours. 4 hours. That's a lot of hours. Whew. Trying to fix bugs and add features. Damn. My head is hurting a lot. Damn. Yup. It's yeah, there, of course there's a lot, that's good progress because I added like what, three features, yeah, three features, yeah. The first feature was, whoa, wait a sec, oh, objects, oop. This syntax I just added earlier. And then the second feature is, oh no, first is the type hints. This is the second feature. And then the final feature is this. Oh, actually 4 features, including this one. Yeah. Hooray! Woo! Yes, that's, no, that, not I guess, that is cool. So yeah. We have stuff. We have type hints. Yeah, and yeah, aliases. This alias in Borderland. That was a random. That was a random thing. Oh yeah, and I need to fix this. I need to fix this. Probably. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I can. Oh, actually. Yeah. Yeah, 4 hours for features. Debugging. Yep. 1 hour per feature. Yeah. I hope you'll be around for the next stream. Is it clean? Okay, it's clean. Oh my goodness. There. Thanks. Thanks for subscribing. Oh. No. Oh, okay, I forgot to. I don't really have a stream schedule, but it's when it's school, when there's school, I only get to stream like it's either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, or all of those three, basically. So those 3 days are probably the days I might stream, but since it's summer and summer break, probably every day. Well, not every day. Maybe, yeah, in probably Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those 3 days instead. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Those are the 4 days that I might stream. I don't have, probably, yeah, around 4 o'clock or maybe 5 o'clock in the Philippines. Yeah. So what so UTC, oh goodness gracious, I am 4 o'clock clock Philippine Standard Time to UTC, Pacific Standard Time, PST. Where did I get that from? So yeah, that's gonna be 12 UTC. So 12 UTC. Where do you? Yeah. So where do you live? Where do you live? Country. What country do you live in? Well, you could answer as well if you do. GMT. Mm, so 2 p.m. Wow, 2 p.m. Wow. So it's currently like around 5 there. Oh no, no, not 5. 10. 10 p.m. It's night. Where was I? Oh yeah. GMT2. 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 So UTC. It was well, UTC GMT2. I see. What? 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 Huh? Uh, 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 how do I? What? What? I do not understand that one. I don't understand this. Oh yes. So vice versa, simply color tiles and glance at the hours selected by the column. It's the same. Yeah, Greenwich Mean Time. I know. Oh, okay. So you're just around. You're around my area. Wait, no, +2. So that's UTC2. Around this area. I see. Time zones are a web developer's nightmare. Anybody's nightmare, actually. It's a nightmare. It's just a nightmare. I hate time zones. I know why they exist, but why isn't it straight? Oh, what is that time zone? These dots are in the same time, but these two are totally different. There, you could probably swim from there to there and time travel. Yeah, I know, right? Why? Oh, not to mention, there's LST. There's about to be a lunar standard time. The moon is gonna have time zones as well. Not to mention Mars as well. Why? Oh, speaking of the moon, choto. Ano yun? Artemis. What? Artemis. Launch. This. It's about, oh, it's live. Yeah. Wednesday? Tomorrow? How did it's how did I miss that? Oh, I don't know. What's Julian time? What's this? Let's see. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, Zulu. Oh, okay. That's cool. Or we could just, I don't know. There's already the Unix timestamp. Yep, there it is. This is much more accurate than the Julian one. The Julian the Julian time thing, because this counts in seconds. Yay. The only problem is it's gonna overflow by 2033. Y2K 2.0. Y2033. Yeah, it's accurate. You can literally depict when something happens down to the seconds instead of days. You would probably lose accuracy because entire decimal places are, I don't know, very large. It mentioned this is noon and then this is midnight. So you'd probably have like very specific around, probably around there or there, to depict something that happened on a specific second. So oh, what the hell, I had oh my goodness, my mouth does not stutter, my brain does. Oh my goodness, I need to rest in a bit, yeah, soon. Also, I need to change this. Yeah, brain freeze. Okay, now it's much more better, I guess. So if I go Vim example, oh my, yeah, it doesn't kill me. It doesn't kill my eyes. And NeoVim would look much more better as well. Yeah. You know, I saw some people that push on save. What? What does that mean? My brain is not at full capacity right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to hit push. Speaking of push, forget to push that. Oh, I already did. Okay, cool. Wait, I did? Oh. Okay. Push on save. What may that mean? Well, that character feels familiar. What? What? It feels familiar. It feels familiar. Well, okay, that's not. What is it? Yeah. Who's Teddy? Original character? It's familiar. It's like the character from PGR. Teddy the character from PGT. Oh. Punishing. Oh! That game! Punishing Grey Raven. I don't know that game, but yeah. Okay, that's why familiar. It's similar to the art style of Honkai. Honkai? It's either Honkai. Yeah, Honkai. Yeah, Honkai. And Zenless. No, Zenless. No. It's Honkai. I think. In the character style. Looks like. Yeah. So. Do you watch anime? I watched a ton of anime. Like a hell of a lot of anime. I am confused as to how I fit everything into my brain. So, what anime do you watch? Isekai, uh, shonen, slice of life, fantasy, fantasy isekai. What are you watching? Yeah. What animes have you watched? I I have watched a ton. I don't even remember some of the names I've watched so far. Death Note, Tokyo Ghoul. Um, that time I got reincarnated as a slime. That time I got reincarnated as a seven prince. So I had my type perfected my abilities. Campfire cocaine in another world. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, I have watched Overlord as well. Code. How do I pronounce that? Code Geese. Ge, I'm just gonna pronounce it as Geese. Code Geese and Death Note. Code Geese. I might watch it. Death Note is one of the best animes out there. Yeah, slime. Yeah. Although the recent season, I haven't watched the recent seasons. Too much world building, but it's cool, but it went into politics too much. Too much politics for me. That's why I dropped it. I stopped watching it. I also watch JJK. I rarely watch famous animes. I don't I don't watch famous animes too much because people overglaze it if you know what I mean. Like I don't know. This might come up as offensive, but I was a fan of Demon Slayer until I realized the story. The story is I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not good either. It's in the middle. That's what I think about um Demon Slayer. I haven't watched the movies yet. It's an unwritten rule that you must watch that anime. And yes, it is considered an anime. It is on the edge of being the other kind of anime, but it's still anime for some reason it's still an anime. Why? Why? Speaking of Rido Healer, of course we all know that one of course I'm cultured. In the Philippines, if you know anime and someone's asking you about anime, we recommend those kinds of anime. If they don't like those kinds, it is. Oh, I know that. I know that. I've watched that on YouTube in some of the scenes, but I haven't watched the entire episodes. I am planning to, for the plot, for the plot, for the plot, for the story, for the story, for the story plot, for the story plot. Okay, interspecies reviewer is actually good. Yeah, totally for the plot. Yeah, definitely. Um, some of my friends recommended the stuff. The first time I tried to ask someone about an anime to watch about asking them about an anime that I should watch, they recommended me Buku no Pico. They recommended me Buko no Pico for some reason. The ice cream was a waste though. It got on it went everywhere. It was weird. Watching Buko no Pico was weird. It's definitely for a certain kind of people. It's very niche. It's very niche. Anyways, oh yeah, I forgot the other ones. I forgot but you cannot be cultured without knowing the magical six digits. The magical six digits. You cannot be cultured if you do not know at least one six digit number. 6 digits. 177031. It has the same name as one of Franz Kafka's books. And that book is this. The title is Metamorphosis. And I know a doujinshi with the same name. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, I think that the first three digits, I am sure it is true, but the last two digits, I'm not sure. Yeah, 177031. I memorized that because it is everywhere. I just. I just realized it. Wait, when Unix timestamp converter. Let's see. Let's see. 177031. It was it was what timestamp, so that's it. January 3. Yeah, that's what that timestamp would be in Unix. Saturday, January 3, 1970 at 1:10:31 a.m. There's a ton. There's a ton of niche animes. Destiny, Tax Opera, um, 86. 86 was a good anime. Violet Evergarden, I've watched those. I've watched that. What else? What else? I have watched Assassination Classroom. Hell's Paradise. What else have I watched? Your Name. I have also watched Komi Can Communicate. Kobayashi's Dragon Maid. Kaguya-sama's Love is War. Oh, that's cool. I've watched a ton of anime. I have watched a ton of anime that I do not. Cyberpunk Edge Runners. Love is War. Yeah, that's it's funny. Yeah, and was it? I forgot her name. I forgot the yeah. Recalling them, yeah, definitely. Oh, Ari Fioretta and the World's Greatest Assassin, the Rising of the Shield Hero. I watched it before it got popular. A ton of anime. I have watched a ton of. That isekai, that one isekai. Konosuba. There we go. Ari Fioretta became fan service. I hated it. It fell off. It didn't. Yeah. I think. Yeah. I think. Yeah. It got a season 2. I think it got a season 3. I watched the season 3, and that's where the stuff got. It's weird. It got weird. I don't like Ari. I don't like Anya. Yeah, it got a season 3. I think. Let me search it. Season 3 Ari Fioretta. I think, yeah. Yep. Wait, there was a season. What? Huh? What? What? Yeah, there's a season 4? I didn't I didn't even know that there was a season 4. I thought season 3 was the finale. There was a season 4. What? How did that show get a season 4? And I guess there's a certain kind of people that like it, huh? That's that. What? How? Huh? When did that get a season 4? I was surprised enough. What? Yeah. What? What's NGNL? What's N? What? No game, no life. No game, no life. Sounds familiar. No game, no life. Sounds familiar. Oh, that one. I'm planning to watch it. Oh. Oh. Just look at that. Oh, that's the manga though. Manga or like no, a novel. Okay. Oh, yeah. I've seen. I have I. I don't know. It's blurry. I think it's familiar. I don't know. Speaking of that, Bunny Girl Senpai. What? Oh, that's sad. Bunny Girl Senpai. Weird ass title, but it's peak. Bunny Girl Senpai is peak, and the rascal does not. The rascal does not. Yeah, I forgot. Forgot the title, but that's yeah. Those are set in the same universe. Look, hear me out, okay? Bunny Girl Senpai is weird in the title, but it's peak, okay? It's peak. Watch it. It's peak. It's comedy, it's slice of life ish, and there's a story. There's no fan service. Well, there is some, but not a lot. And it's a cool uh, concept. Anyways, let's move on. Yeah, Bunny Girl Senpai and then Rascal does not. I forgot. Uh, Oshinoko. Log Horizon. I don't think I've seen Log Horizon. Nor is it familiar. Oh. 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 I see. I haven't watched Log Horizon. I might be planning to watch Log Horizon now. Now, speaking of anime, have you watched Oshinoko? Have you watched Oshinoko? Oh, Goodbye World. Hey, Good Night World. Oh my goodness, not goodbye. Good Night World. Good Night World. Have you watched Good Night World? If if not Good Night World, probably um. So season 1 of Oshinoko is great. Season 2 was trash. Season 3 is good again. It redeemed itself. The storyline, the animation, it's the same as the pilot. The quality did not drop off at all. It's cool. The story is questionable. And I have been spoiled, sadly. But yeah, I'm still gonna watch the anime because I want to see it animated. So yeah. Have you watched Sword Art Online? It's game like, so it's probable that you have watched Sword Art Online. Is that a yes? Probably a yes. Oh, nice. Yeah, same with me. I think I watched it last year. That's what happens when you binge watch anime. You just forget everything. You remember some, but you forget the rest. What other animes have I watched? What other anime have I watched? Hmm. I watched a ton of 12 episode animes. I just can't remember any. Oh yeah, it's 9/11. I might have to go. I may have to go soon. Anime. I. Hmm. Yeah, remembering them is very hard. Unless someone mentions them, then the memories come back. But then it's very hard to recall them manually. Hmm. Yep. Ah. Um. That time I got reincarnated as a sword. There you go. That time I got reincarnated as a sword. How a realist hero rebuilt the kingdom. Yeah, that. Thank you. Not most people see me as entertaining. Anyways, what other anime? What other anime? Uh, oh yeah, that I didn't watch that yet. I haven't watched that yet. Speaking of animes, I have watched a ton of them in Failure Frame. There you go, Failure Frame. Yeah, yeah. I mean, not just funny. Oh, I forgot the title. No longer allowed in another world. That I think. I haven't finished watching the episodes. I heard people talking about it all over the internet, and then it's just poof. It's just gone. They don't talk as much of it anymore. Sad. Anyways, speaking of isekais, Konosuba is the singular best isekai there is. Change my mind. Konosuba is the best. Second is ReZero. 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 I changed my mind. It's ReZero. The best isekai is ReZero. Next is Konosuba. ReZero is peak. Who's Ram? Who's Ram? Wait, Ram or Ram? I forgot who disappeared. Oh, I see. The recent seasons. Oh, the staircase panel is about to be animated. That's the next season. That's about the season that's about to be released next month. Ah, okay. So Ram, yeah, it's Ram. Yeah. Subaru? Who's Ram? And I wonder how long will Subaru suffer in that anime. I haven't read the manga. I don't want to read manga. Wait, novel. I think yeah. Oh, I'm watching Sentence to be a Hero. Yeah, Sentence to be a Hero is cool. Sentence to be a Hero, JJK, Hell's Paradise, ReZero. Hmm. How about other shows? Other non-anime. Oh, and yeah. Uh, where was I? Ah, yes. Um, Shows besides animes that we've watched. Yeah, yeah. Later novels. Where was I? Yeah, I've watched The Big Bang Theory, Young Sheldon, Rick and Morty, Wabalabadabdab, and wow, I can't remember anything else. Ah, House MD, um, um, huh. I can't remember anything else. Same, dude, same. I just program. I just program away. I don't even play any game. There we go. Sorry for the slight delay. I got disconnected for a second. Anyways, yeah. Um, yeah. I just program away, and I don't even play any games. I have deleted every game on my phone. I used to play Project Sekai, Code M, Minecraft. That's about all the games that I played. Oh yeah, I used to play Kerbal Space Program, as well as Minecraft Java, as well as, yeah, Minecraft. Well, the 2 week phase is annoying. I don't know why it exists. How was Mission to Eve? What? Did you reach there? Eve? Oh, what? End dimension? The end? Um, I haven't. I haven't even gotten to a stronghold in survival yet. Oh, Kerbal Space Program. Oh, Eve, Eve, Eve. I haven't left the planet. Landing on another planet is the most difficult thing. I only ever got to orbit and outside the solar system in Kerbal Space Program. I haven't touched any other planets. It's just hard to do. I have made space stations and interstellar vehicles, but never to another planet. It's hard to do. And the space stations wasn't even like multiple parts, it was just one giant, huge rockets. Yeah. 3D is hard. Oh, um, Space Flight Simulator is much more easier for me to do because it's just 2D. It's 2D. You just fly 2D spacecrafts into space. While Kerbal Space Program is like, it's like giving NASA to a bunch of kids. Yeah, that's what KSP is. Just giving a bunch of rockets to kids. But I just cannot believe the stuff that people do in Kerbal Space Program. It's damn. It's just surprising. It's wow. It's something. Oh, and speaking of complex mechanisms in Kerbal Space Program, Minecraft Greg Tech. Minecraft Greg Tech. Those two words are enough to give PTSD to any people. Minecraft Greg Tech. Minecraft Greg Tech. Yeah. What the hell? 200, 200 hours to complete Greg Tech. Yeah, Greg Tech. 200 hours divided by 24. 83. 83 days. 83 days. So 83. 83.3 divided by 30. 2 months. 2 months. Who? Who in who in the right mind would play Minecraft for 2 months straight? Wow. Damn. Yeah, essentially 3 months. Like, what? 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 How? How? Oh. Oh, I'm not. I haven't even mentioned RL Craft yet. Oh my goodness. Oh, why did I spell RL Crafty too? RL Craft. My MC. Under this and stuff. A beginner's guide, half an hour. RL. Oh, let's see. Hardest. Oh my goodness. Hardest Minecraft mods. Let's see. Greg Tech. Yep. What? What? Yeah. Oh, Better Than Wolves. This is, yeah, Better Than Wolves. Better Than Wolves Minecraft YT. Better Than Wolves. What? I don't believe that. Oh yeah, I watched it. 384 real life days or Minecraft days. But damn, like what? Orbital cannon by cubic meter is insane. Yeah. Oh yeah, that orbital cannon. Well, basically it's just, if you know how to program, you would get how that would be also possible. So like, yeah, lazy chunks and stuff. There's tons of quote unquote bugs in Minecraft because Notch was just too lazy to fix it when the game. So let's oh, damn it. There you go. Why does that? Oh, come on. So yeah, this, just move you to another terminal. So we're gonna close. So new file, new. Okay, so basically, oh goodness gracious, Phil, where's Phil? Oh, there it is. Whew. Switch. So basically, where's the pen? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Where's the other kind of pen? How do I check? Oh, okay, brush. How do how do I how do I normal brush? How do I just okay is it getting smaller? Okay, it is. So let you just, very cool. Yeah, so anyways, so we're gonna explain how the orbital strike cannon works. So in Minecraft, you have three axes of movement, right? Three axes of movement. I just cut the entire thing. So you have the y-axis, the x-axis, and then the z-axis. Yeah, so let me just start that. Okay. Oh, wrong one. This one. There we go. So we have that. Can I? Okay. You can. Can't I hide this? Can I just? How can I? Okay. Well, we're gonna suffer with this. What? Oh. Oh, you can do that. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Anyways, we have the z-axis and stuff. That. Oh, so control. Wait, no. Okay. So okay. And just getting used to the controls. Okay, so you have the y, z, and x axis. The way that Minecraft computes the movement of entities is a certain update to each of these coordinates. So if you're moving completely in the z axis, let's say you're moving 1 block per second in wait, does that, oh yeah, wait, oh okay, so I can, oh okay, that's cool. So that 1 block per second in the z-axis, then you would move 1 block in the z-axis. So 1 game tick, you're in here, and then the second game tick, you're there. it's not a smooth movement. So for example, now let's say, oh, how do I, how do, okay, okay. So now, what can I, how can I increase the size? So, just a second. Yeah, so now, let's say you're moving like 10 blocks per second. So now, you're here, and then the next tick, you're there. If you're fast enough, per tick, oh, just a second. Let's change this to a T. Per tick, 10 blocks per tick. So now we're moving in terms of tick. Even if there's a block here, you're gonna pass through it. And if you're precise enough on how you propel this block, it can end up in another loaded chunk, even if there's unloaded chunks between the orbital cannon and the target. So essentially, oh, whoops. Yeah, that happens. Let me just increase the size even more. So what happens is the block or the entity just gets teleported instantly. And because of how movement is processed, okay, there we go. There is no difference between teleporting and just moving. So yeah, even so, here's the orbital cannon in the loaded chunks. Here's the actual cannon, and let's say in the other side, is this the max? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, so here's the sample, the house. Very creative drawing. Here's the house. So let's say this is at 10, 20. We're gonna ignore the Z for now. And then this is like negative, very creative number. So that far away, if you calculate it, so the midpoint would be like, that would be 15, 30, no, 30, 35, exact middle. So then, if you propel it fast enough for the TNT, and then 20, so negative 970, you just, so now you need to propel the blocks this far away. So at minimum, you would need at least to propel it 1040. So that's how much you need to just propel it. And you just stop. There you go. So this is how much you would need to accelerate it from here to there. And here's the other fun fact. It's not updated in the same time. The movement, I mean. So if I just, oh, I could have just done that. So there we go. Let me just delete everything in here. So now if we just, okay, there we go. Yep. Yeah, they just calculate it. So now if you oh, whoops. So this block, it's not instantly like moved. So for example, you're going, your Z speed is 1 block per tick, and then your X, what, my X, my X speed is 1 block per tick. It's not processed at the same speed. So let's say you're here, and then the next tick you're, oh, whoops, you're here. That's not how that works. You first go into here, and then into there. So I think it's a minimum of 2 ticks. 1 tick to go there, and then 1 tick to go there. So you need 2 ticks for that. It's a ton of stuff. So anyways, I'm bored. I want to do calculus now. I'm gonna... Do you know calculus? I was right here. And then we just jumped there. And now it's 9 to the 99 astronomical units far away. Right. So, how much do you know about calculus? Okay, wrong color. How much do you know? Teach your calculus. So, sure. So, we're gonna start with a with a curve. So, first we're gonna... Oh, you must know graphs already, right? So, now we're gonna make a graph. Let's make it that graph. General protocol. I do not know. Oh, those. Okay. So I don't know much as well because I just studied this by myself. So our f of x is x squared. So you probably already know the power rule. Do you know the power rule? Oh, whoops. There we go. Power rule. So just... Whoop. Oh my goodness, that's bad. Power rule. Oh, I guess you're not at that part. Oh, whoops. Not part yet. Just a second. I will teach you the power rule. Stuff. So we want to calculate the area around that and stuff. So now we're gonna create a definite integral. So let's say that this is 4. And then we calculate from 4 to 0 the area of this graph. Let's change another. Where can I color pick? Oh, who cares? So we have that. So we're gonna put 4 here, and then 0, and then we're gonna put f of x into here. So that's x squared, and then we're gonna put dx here. So this just tells us that x is gonna be the thing that we're working on. So now here, that is equal to basically the antiderivative of f of x, whoops, is minus 4 minus the antiderivative of f of x with the x equal to 0. So now we need to find the antiderivative. In that case, we would need to look at the power rule. This is b, this is a, k, then x raised to n. Oh my goodness, my handwriting is off. So let me just fix that. X raised to n. Now that, oh whoops, don't forget. That is equal to, yeah, I'm surprised that it looks this good. Oh, we don't need that. Is equal to the, to just this, but with a difference, x of n plus 1 over n plus 1 dx. So this is the power rule. You get this and turn it into this. So this is our antiderivative of f. So it's x squared. Yeah. So now it just becomes x. So here's our antiderivative of f of x. So we just substitute that. So it becomes f raised to 3 over 3 minus 0 raised to 3 over 3. Yes, that just becomes 0. This, that, and just compute this. So that would be 16 times 4, 64 over 3. And then when we compute that, that's gonna be the value of this. So let's compute that. Let me just scheiße. So let's compute that. Let me just, oh, that's too big. 7. There we go. So 3, 2, 3, and then wait, what? 6. What the hell happened there? 0. Bring down the 4. And it'll be 1 point something. So that becomes 3 point. There's 1. So that becomes 333. Yeah. There you go. So that's the answer to this. Is 21.33. Repeating. So the trick to knowing this end fast is very simple. I'm gonna trick you. I'm gonna trick you. I'm gonna teach you a trick, a division trick that you can probably use everywhere. So the reason of the remainder. So for example, we divide 10 by 3. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna say 3 here. We're gonna end up with 9, and then we're gonna end up with the remainder of 1. You just put it on top of the divisor, so it becomes 3 and 1 over 3, which is 33.33, repeating. That's basically what the remainder is. That's, yeah. That's why you can't just put 3.1 if the remainder is 1, because it's actually this part. So, yeah. It's a technique that I found out by myself. Oh, goodness. So now, another. This is my favorite integral. This is my favorite integral. Because the answer is very cultured. So we'll find that out. That will become x squared. Because the full form is actually 2x squared over 2. These cancel out, leaving us with 2, with that. So now, oh shit! I got scared there. What the hell? The mangoes are falling on the roof. Oh my goodness! That scared me. So there. So now we substitute 13. So 13 squared minus 10 squared. Mangoes, yes. So the answer is 169 minus 100. And that's 69. So this is 69. Yes. Very cultured integral. Very cultured. Yeah. So anyways, let me just put it there. So now, I kinda... No. Yeah. Implicit differentiation when... What the hell is that? Oh, hell nah. I haven't learned that yet. I'm only into Calculus 101. I only know how... I only know... Whoops. I only know that... About this. Just a second. Wait, is it? No, it's x sub I. Delta x. So yeah, there. I only know that that is the same as an integral. Yeah, yay! I have a blackboard. So yeah, there. And also, how limits work. Like I found out that the reason why you can't. Let me just a second. Oh, wrong one. Oh, okay, wrong. What the hell? There we go. So now we just do. What the what? Oh, there you go. There you go. And change it to 7. There we go. So now, good. So now, whoops. We're gonna learn about why lim x approaches, whoops, as x approaches 0 from the positive side. Oh my goodness, I cannot write. Wait, I do have, wait, no. On lim, I really need to practice more with the mouse. X raised, as x approaches the positive side, 1 over x. Come on now. the type of x as x approaches 0 from the negative side, 1 over x is equal to negative infinity. So that means that this same expression, so f of x 1 over x, is both positive and negative infinity. Oh my goodness. So that's why dividing by 0 is undefined, but dividing 0 is not. So 0 over x is equal to undefined. What? Yeah, this basically just means it's undefined. You cannot be both infinite and you can't be positive infinity and negative infinity at the same time, because the graph of that is an asymptote. This is 0, right? Both, let me just do that better. Basically, oh, come on now. That became logarithmic now. So oh my goodness, I can, yeah, there we go. There we go. So, it's essentially saying that it's both positive and negative infinity, which is not true. It cannot be both. It's an asymptote. It's undefined. So yeah, I just hollow purpled the thing. So now we have undefined. If x is not equal to 0, of course. I mean, not undefined. Not. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I meant 0. Dividing by 0 is 0. 0. The tiniest. The tiniest. Let me just say. Actually, that's much more better. 0. So, probably because how many zeros do you need something to be 0? 0. So, let's say you need 3 zeros. How many zeros is that? I mean, it's just 0. So, let's see. 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Because A times B is equal to C, and C divided by A is equal to B, or C divided by B is equal to A. By this logic, A is 3, B is 0, C is 0. So, we're looking at this, it's just equal. So, yeah, those are equal. This is the only thing that's not there. So, it's basically A times B is equal to B. And this is only true for 0. The only number, it's either for 0 or if it's 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 0 times and x times 0 is always equal to 0. Yeah, so yeah, basic multiplication stuff. Oh goodness gracious. So anyways, what else should we learn about? Physics. I have my own theory of how wormholes, yeah. So this is a black hole. It's a black hole. Matter goes in. Hawking radiation comes out. Matter gets turned into conceptual matter. So this is all conceptual matter in here. This is the threshold. And then this is the subspace. Subspace. Now this is a white hole. This is still the subspace. But this is still the threshold. Now what happens is matter comes out. Conceptual matter goes in from the bottom, from the subspace into our space, and then it eats the Hawking radiation. So this is delta prime 1. This is delta 1. And both are linked. Delta 1 is linked to delta prime 1. With sharing a conceptual matter bank. Yeah, there. So what happens? So now, what happens is this, the number of conceptual matter is risen from the subspace, and then now, I'm going to teach you one of the basic axioms. So basically, yeah, this is what is happening in my model. Organic chemistry is not for the faint of heart. So now, oh no, T. What it looks like a banana. There we go. T delta O delta I. No. O delta sub n minus I delta sub n. Oh, the sum. It needs to be, yeah, the sum. Damn it. Time the sum of this that is 0. So basically what this tells us is throughout the lifetime of these pairs, the number of matter that came into the other pair must be equal to the matter that came out of the other one. It cannot be not equal to 0. Otherwise, the universe is dead. It's leaking matter. It needs to be 0. So this is stuff that I made up because I was bored. Yeah, I was bored. So basically this just is an axiom. every black hole and white hole, the number of matter that came in the black hole must be equal to the matter that came out of the white hole. It cannot, it, it may not be true for a pair, but globally it should be, because this subspace is shared with every pair. This is the subspace, right? So now, the reason why wormholes may appear is when when the walls of the thresholds weaken and expand this area, right? So it weakens, exotic matter forms, and what happens is some random pair gets turned into identityless entities. Oh my goodness, that's too many T's in there. So basically, it's no longer a white hole or a black hole, it's just a hole. For it to become a wormhole that we can pass through is this two throats to touch, because it's in the subspace. In the subspace, you cannot have regular matter. If you enter this, you'll become conceptual matter, and you're gone. You're gone, literally. Well, not gone forever. Your information that makes you, every arrangement of your molecules, your temperature, everything gets thrown out, basically stripped. So matter is basically conceptual matter plus the Hawking radiation. So what happens when you enter this, only this enters. This gets expelled out the black hole. So the opposite happens in a white hole. It takes in the Hawking radiation, and it takes matter from the subspace and turns it into matter. Yeah. Oh, I pressed the wrong dramatic zoom. So yeah, this stuff. I always press it again. I always press it twice. So now, yeah, that's basically it. So what happens is locality increases between a pair and it collapses. So this is where the subspace would have been, but it's so thin that it's practically not there, where matter can go in and go to the through. The only problem is it's leaking exotic matter out. So basically it's absorbing residual Hawking radiation from the universe, and it's producing matter. Same for the side. So if the local area has low conceptual matter count, it won't form a wormhole. And the universe is big, and we haven't seen any white holes, because here in my theory, once a black hole forms, a white hole forms, and when it forms, this is definite. It's always where a star dies. So supernova, when mass just collapses. White holes, on the other hand, form randomly. It's random. So for all we know, black holes that we have seen have white hole counterparts in the very, very far away part of the universe. And white holes really like low entropy. Wait, what? Actually, other way around. It really likes entropy because, well, it needs entropy, or otherwise the Hawking radiation, to form matter. I may need to go. Sadly, it is. It's 9:58 p.m. It's about to be Wednesday, so I have to go. Yeah, I have to go. So yeah, see you in the next stream. Yeah.